Habari, welcome to another video number 20. In this video we will learn about object infixes. Okay, now object infixes can be used to replace or reinforce the noun that is the object of the sentence. Okay, we use object infixes to replace the noun that is being used by as object of the sentence. Okay, and object infixes always placed between tense marker and the verb. Okay, now this is a syntax. Okay, a syntax for how we use object infixes in the sentence. Okay, you have agreement, subject, prefix. Okay, and you have a tense marker. Okay, and between the tense marker and the verb you have object infixes. Okay, now an example would be something like the following sentence: atanipenda, 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 which means he or she will like me. It may also mean he or she will love me. Okay, now looking at this example, we can see where the object infix is at. Okay, is what we use as a subject prefix. Okay, a subject, personal subject prefix. Okay, which means he or she. Ta is a tense marker, okay, which means will. Okay, ta is a future tense marker. Ni is what we learned today. Ni is an object infix. Okay, it refers to me. Okay, it refers to me. Okay, panda is the main verb. Okay, panda, which means like or love. Okay, another example: wanatuangalia, wanatuangalia, wanatuangalia. Okay, now looking at that example, we see wa is a personal subject prefix. Okay, they means they. Wa. Na is a future tense marker. Okay, tu is what we call an object infix. Okay, which means us. Okay, tu means us. Okay, angalia is the main verb. Okay, angalia is the main verb. Now if you look at this, we will see we have a noun class and we have object infix. Okay, and we have the meaning in English. Okay, now we already learned all these noun classes in the previous videos. Okay, now the first personal singular noun class, ma, the first person singular, we use object infix ni, which means me. For the second person singular, we use object infix ku, which means you. Okay, singular, you. Now for the third person singular, we use ma or wa, okay? And in English that means him or her. Now when it comes to plural, the noun class wa, for noun class wa, ma wa, this is the noun class ma wa, singular and plural, okay? In plural, first person, we use tu as an object infix, okay? Which means us, okay? Okay, first person singular, okay? First person singular is ni as an object infix. First person plural is tu for an object infix, which means us. Second person plural, we use wa, okay, which means you. And the third person plural, we use wa, which means them, okay? Now looking into another class here, singular ma, we use an object infix u, which means it. Plural me, we use an object infix e, which means them. And singular noun class ye, we use object infix li, which means it. And for the plural noun class ma, we use ya, which means them, okay? Now for key class singular, we use key as an object infix, okay, which means it. And for v noun class plural, we use v as an object infix, okay? For noun class na singular, we use e, which means it. And for noun class na plural, we use z, which means them, okay? All these object infixes appear between the tense marker and the verb, okay? Now we have another one here, the u class singular. We use u, which means it, and for u class plural, we use z, which means them, okay? Now we have noun class pa, okay, which we use pa as an object infix, okay, and that means it, or it can also mean them. And for noun class ku, we use ku as an object infix, which again means it or them. And for noun class ma, we use ma or wa, which means it or them. And for noun class ku, we use ku as an object infix, which means it or them, okay? Always remember that rule. Now a verb begins with a vowel. For a verb begins with a vowel, the object infixes becomes moi, okay? Example, pendeleza, peleleza, peleleza. Peleleza means to investigate. Peleleza, peleleza, okay? Now, nitampeleleza, nitampeleleza. The ma here is what we call an object infixes. I will investigate him, or her. Okay, the ma here means him, you are referring to him or her. Okay, nitampeleleza, I will investigate. Peleleza is just a verb which means investigate. Okay, it means investigate. Now nitampeleleza means I will investigate. Who? Him or her. Okay, nitampeleleza. Ona is a verb. Ona, okay, is a verb which means see. Okay, ona. Nitamwona means I will see him or her. Okay, nitamwona. So you can see here the ma wa. Okay, ma wa. Ma wa, okay, which refers to her or him. Okay, the ma wa refers to her or him. Okay, now back to that table that we looked at before. You can see the third person singular. We use an object infix ma or moi. Okay, ma or moi, which refers to him or her. Okay, nitamuona means I will see her or him. Okay, now object infix for second person singular ku and infinitive ku and negative tense marker. So these are the three things we're going to look at. Object infix for second person singular ku and object infinitive ku and negative tense marker. Okay, Panda means love. Okay, Panda means love. Nilikupenda. Nilikupenda means I loved you. Okay, nilikupenda. Okay, means I loved you. Okay, sikukupenda means I did not love you. Okay, so nili changes into siku if you negate. Okay, nili changes into siku if you negate. Okay, now here nilikupenda, ni changes to si. Okay, ni changes to si. Li changes to ku. Kupenda remains kupenda. Ambia, which means tell. Okay, ambia. Niliwaambia, I told you in plural. Niliwaambia. Wa here is an object infix. Okay, wa is an object infix for you in plural. Okay, niliwaambia. Niliwaambia. It can also mean I told them. Okay, niliwaambia. It can also mean I told them. Okay, so wa can work as an object infix for you in plural, or it can work as an object infix for them. Now remove the a at the end and then add any. Okay, remove the a at the end and then add any. Niliwaambieni, I told you. niliwaambieni. Okay, niliwaambieni. You can see here we removed the a. Okay, removed the a and added any, and it means the same thing. Okay, niliwaambieni. In our previous sentence, a previous example, we said niliwaambia means I told you. Okay, mbia. Now in this example, we remove the a at the end and we add e, we add any. Okay, any, and becomes niliwaambieni. I told you. It means the same thing. Okay, niliwaambia remains the same. Niliwaambia, which means I told them. Another example, ona, which means see. Okay, which means see. Ona. Niliwaoneni. Niliwaoneni. Niliwaoneni, which means I saw you. Okay, niliwaona means I saw them. Niliwaoneni means I saw you. You in plural. Okay. Niliwaona ninyi. Niliwaona ninyi. Now this is another form you can say to mean the same thing. Okay. Niliwaona ninyi. Okay, you can either say niliwaoneni or you can say niliwaona ninyi. Okay, ninyi to mean you, referring to you in plural. Okay, niliwaona ninyi. Niliwaona simply means I saw them. Okay. Now, if you look at this example, niliwaoneni, this is co-infix changes into wa, object infix. Okay, to mean exact the same thing. I saw you in plural. Okay, niliwaoneni. Niliwaoneni. Okay, you can also say nilikuoneni. Nilikuoneni. So you can replace wa with the u. Nilikuoneni. Nilikuoneni. And it means the same thing. I saw you. Niliwaoneni or nilikuoneni means the same thing. I saw you. Okay, nilikuoneni. Nilikuoneni means I saw you, you in plural. Niliwaona means I saw them. Okay. Alright, now that's it in this video. We learned about object infixes, and if you do have any questions regarding object infixes, please write down in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Kwaheri. If you want to become fluent in conversational Swahili, please consider subscribing so you can receive a new video every week.